Hi there! Let's take a few minutes to talk about something that's super important for many of us, Social Security. Whether you're just starting to think about retirement or you're already receiving benefits, understanding the basics of Social Security can help you make the most of this vital program. Now, Social Security isn't just a paycheck you get after retirement. It's a safety net designed to provide financial support when you need it most. And while it may seem a little complicated at first, don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you in a way that makes sense. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. All right, so what exactly is Social Security? In simple terms, it's a federal program designed to replace a portion of your income if you retire, become disabled, or lose a loved one who provided financial support. Most of us pay into Social Security through taxes while we're working. Then, once you hit retirement age or face certain life events, you can start collecting benefits. Think of it as a savings account you've been contributing to throughout your working years, but with some extra rules and benefits thrown in. One thing to remember, Social Security isn't meant to cover all your expenses. It's designed to be a foundation. For most people, it replaces about 40% of pre-retirement income. So, having other savings or retirement plans is a big plus. Let's talk about how your Social Security benefits are calculated, because this part trips a lot of people up. Your benefits are based on your earnings history, specifically the 35 years when you earned the most. If you worked fewer than 35 years, zeros are factored in, which lowers your average. The Social Security Administration uses this average to calculate something called your primary insurance amount, or PIA. That's the benefit you'll receive if you claim Social Security at your full retirement age, which for most people is between 66 and 67, depending on when you were born. Here's the kicker. You don't have to claim at your full retirement age. You can start as early as 62, but your benefits will be reduced, up to 30% lower. On the flip side, if you wait until after your full retirement age, your benefits increase by about 3% per year until you hit 70. So, timing really matters when it comes to maximizing your benefits. Social Security isn't just about your own earnings. There are also benefits for your family, like spousal benefits and survivor benefits. If you're married, your spouse can claim benefits based on your work record. Even if they've never worked, they could still receive up to 50% of your benefit amount if they claim at their full retirement age. That's great news for couples where one person focused on the household while the other worked. And if something happens to you, your spouse, or even your minor children may be eligible for survivor benefits. This is a lifeline for families who've lost a loved one, helping them maintain some financial stability during a difficult time. So, it's not just about you. Social Security is really a family program in many ways. So, how do you actually get started with Social Security? The first step is creating an account on the Social Security Administration's website, My Social Security. This lets you check your earnings history, get an estimate of your future benefits, and see what your options look like based on when you claim. Once you're ready to apply, you can do it online, over the phone, or at your local Social Security office. It's a straightforward process, but if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out for guidance. If you have questions or want help navigating your options, give me a call us at 615-205-5041. I'm here to walk you through it. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Social Security can seem complicated, but with a little knowledge and planning, you've got this. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need support. Take care, stay informed, and I'll see you next time.